Hello viewers, today I will share you how to uninstall a software. So let's start. At first click start, then click control panel, uninstall. We are going to program submenu uninstall a program. Then click what's this here uninstall. Example, we are uninstall Avast SQL browser. Uh, At first select it, then click uninstall, or right button click, then click uninstall. Wait a few time. Uninstall, click uninstall. Wait a few time. Begin uninstall. So a few time need to complete uninstall or uninstall complete. Could you please tell us why you have uninstalled? Okay, sure. Thanks. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for got more video and visit regularly our blog. You can find your many helpful video. I am published continue daily continue something your need helpful content. I publish my blogger, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye, have a nice day, to meet you again. Bye now.